Mothers, the most important people in our lives. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about mothers. A mother is one of the most important people in our lives. She is the person who takes care of us from the day we are born. She loves us, protects us, and helps us grow. Mothers work very hard every day. They wake up early and do many things for their families. They prepare food, clean the house, help children with school, and support everyone around them. A mother's love is special. It is a love that never ends. Even when we make mistakes, our mothers continue to love us. They forgive us and encourage us to become better people. Mothers teach us many important lessons. They teach us how to be kind, honest, respectful, and responsible. These lessons help us throughout our lives. Many mothers make sacrifices for their children. Sometimes they give up their own comfort so their children can have a better life. They work hard to provide food, education, and opportunities. We should always appreciate our mothers. We do not need expensive gifts to show our love. Sometimes a simple "thank you" can make a mother very happy. Spending time with our mothers is also important. We can talk with them, help them with chores, or simply enjoy a meal together. These moments create beautiful memories. As we grow older, we begin to understand how much our mothers have done for us. We realize the effort, patience, and love they have given throughout the years. In conclusion, mothers are a precious gift. Their love, support, and guidance help shape our lives. We should respect them, appreciate them, and cherish every moment we spend with them. Thank you for listening, and remember to tell your mother today how much you love her.